beauties, welcome, what's poppy? Welcome back to another video on my channel, or welcome to a brand new video on my channel if you are new. So for today's set is vampire inspired, which I'm really excited to share with you guys how I got these nails because they're looking a hella classy. So yeah, so I'm about to share the tea with you, so let's get into it. So the first thing that I want to do, so I'll be taking the color from Mia's Secret. This color is called Red Apple, because the first color that I was going in with was just called red or strawberry. The color was called strawberry, but the color was a little bit opaque, and I didn't want that, so I decided to go in with Red Apple from Mia's Secret, adding it to the tip of each of these nails, pulling the product back. So if you guys are struggling with finding acrylic, or you're not sure what acrylic you want to buy because it's so much of it on the market, I will definitely recommend you getting the Fruity collection from Mia's Secret. It gives you a wide collection of colors if you're just starting out, and it doesn't matter if you're just starting out, you can use it. As you guys can see, I have the whole collection with me and I use them fairly heavily, and I mean they're not finishing, but when these colors are through, I will definitely be making another order on the Fruity collection, and it gives you a wide color range, because so when some persons just starting out, they can't get all these type of colors. So I definitely recommend you getting the Fruity collection from Mia's Secret. So after I add that to the end of the nails, look at these nails, are so classy, and I haven't done with them yet. So I'm going in with Midnight at the base of the nail. So this part was posed as a challenge, as all nails would, because if you guys watch my videos, I'm always complaining about something. I don't necessarily want to complain about something, but there's always something to complain about. So this color, as much as you see that it is so dark, at the end of the day it was so light. So you guys, it was a little bit opaque. You guys can literally see through the color at some point. You guys will see it later down into the video. And also with this color called Midnight, it has some shimmers in it which added the oomph to these nails. It was so classy. I mean, out of the box. I mean, I wanted these nails to be matte, but I liked them gloss. So yeah, so I'm adding the Midnight in beads. So if you want control over your beads, you can go in fairly small. It doesn't matter how many beads you use. Some persons who are so great can use one bead to accomplish what I'm doing, but I felt comfortable going with 3 beads, ensuring that each bead covers the necessary parts. So as I was mentioning, or as I was saying before, that this color here is so dark, I guess one of the reasons is that it's kind of stiff, so once it's placed on an area, it doesn't really move. So if you guys look closely, you guys can see the space between the red and the Midnight Purple. I'll cover that a little later, because sweetie, I wasn't expecting that now. And where actually succeed was on this nail. So if you guys look really closely, you guys can see that transition went well.
Are you now? I'll be dressed in white.
So as I mentioned in previous clips about the obvious difference between the two colors, I went in again with Red Apple, ensuring that each area is covered. So I did a mix between the two. I didn't show when I was adding the Midnight Purple, but I definitely was showing you. Obviously I'm not showing you how I was concealing the area with the red. And what is so intriguing about this set here is that it gives me that mood, like the mood colors, like you put it in hot water, it gives you that bright red, then you put it a little further, it's transitioning. So you will have the red at the tip and a kind of a wine red in the middle, and then you have that purple. I mean, it is so classy. I can't find the words to use on these nails, but I loved every aspect of doing these nails. So I won't be doing nothing much, as you guys can see from the first clip of this video. These are the nails. Look at that, sis, sweetie. I'm in love. After everything was done, I ensured that I encapsulate, because I was ensuring that the fade and the ombre was correct to how I wanted it. What was so funny also is that when it was drying, you guys, it literally about that, guys. So when it was drying, I mean, it looked black completely. I kind of had to put some exposure on this video so you guys can see the colors that I was using. So now I'm taking my e-file, going over each of these nails around the cuticle area. You know how we do, side wall, you know, the barrel, ensuring that, you know, I don't have much of a barrel, ensuring that the nails are straight, doing everything that an e-file should do. I think this is a 100 grits e-file bit. So yeah, and then after that is done, I'll then go in with my diamond bit, the one that I'm forever, you know, bashing, but I think at the end of the day it's still doing great work. I'll go in with that, removing, you know, excess product that this bit has not removed. With the bits, I tend to do inch very frequent. Sometimes I will go in with the we call this now, the sanding band first, and sometimes I'll go in with the diamond bit first. It all depends on the type of, you know, the type of design that I'll be doing for today's video. But it really doesn't matter what is used first for me. At the end of the day, it still give me the result I wanted, which I'm really happy about. So after that is done, you know, I'll wash my hands, and then I'll come back in with the top coat. So I'm running out of top coat, so I need to go get some first of all. I need to go get some. So I'll top coat twice because I wanted some shine. If you guys know about any top coat that shines, that has a natural gloss where I don't have to go in on a second coat, let me know. So after that is done, I will then top coat each of these nails, and that's about it. I hope you guys did enjoy me talking through this video. I try to explain as much as I possibly can. I mean, the video is there, so you know, if you guys don't understand what I'm saying, the video is there for you guys to watch and understand from that. Some persons learn visually, some learn from hearing, but I tried my best explaining to you guys what I was doing in today's video. So I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you like this video. If you think that it was a bit informative, you know, and yeah, go ahead and, you know, like, and also follow me on my social medias, which is TikTok and Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. Both handles are Bare Beauty Services. I'll add it throughout the video so you guys can, you know, randomly go check me out. So I'll put on my cuticle oil, and after that is done, I'll massage the cuticle around the cuticle area, and then I will show you guys what I'm working with. These nails were bomb.com. I really did like them, and they really did represent vampire. So I didn't want to use black because I've been using black for some time now. So these are how the nails are looking. They're looking so good. If you guys think they're looking so good, drop a like down below and comment if you wish, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Say